Sharing your Bravofolio ePortfolio allows employers, educators, and peers to view your work. And endorsements help add credibility by highlighting strengths others recognize. To get started, go to the top navigation bar and select Portfolio. Next, click Create My Portfolio to open your selected portfolio template. Below the name of your template, you'll see 3 action buttons. Select the third button labeled Share Portfolio. Shared portfolios remain accessible for 120 days from the date they're sent. Choose a network type from the drop-down menu, such as employer, educator, or peer. Enter 1 or more email addresses, separating each with a comma. If you're sending to multiple recipients, be sure they all share the same network type. If you'd like to request feedback, check the box labeled Want an Endorsement. Recipients will receive instructions on how to submit one. Once sent, your portfolio is shared, and endorsement requests are delivered automatically. When an endorsement is submitted, return to your ePortfolio navigation bar and select Endorsements to view it. Endorsements appear automatically, but you have full control over visibility. You can choose whether each endorsement is shown on your portfolio. You may display up to 4 endorsements. While optional, endorsements are strongly recommended for showcasing credibility and professional recognition.